Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Microsoft Access on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Then search for Microsoft Office or go directly to office.com, which is also known as Microsoft 365. Now Microsoft Access is included with Microsoft 365. You'll need to activate subscription. If you already have one, click sign in. If not, select get Microsoft 365 and subscribe. After signing in, go to top right corner and click install apps. Choose your language and version, then click install. This will download the Office setup file to your computer. Now, open your download folder and double-click the setup file. Then, if the security prompt appears, click yes to allow the installation. Microsoft 365 will now download and install Office apps, including Microsoft Access. Once the installation is complete, click the search bar in the computer and type Access. Then, open the Microsoft Access and you start with a blank database or open an existing one. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.